Hello everybody, it's Donna. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is like my third time trying to film this video. I am a little out of practice. It is just going to be an unboxing video basically of what I just purchased. I kept this order really tiny, but it was pre-earned for Sale-A-Bration, so I wanted to place an order to grab some of the Sale-A-Bration items before they're actually launched to everybody else, because I want to make sure I could get what I wanted. And I also bought some of the new products that are in the annual catalog, the new annual catalog that launched at the beginning of the month. First up are the new ink pads for the new ink colors. Starry Sky, kind of a bluish purplish. Tahitian Tie, which is a lovely blue. It's like a bright blue. I love that color. Orchid Oasis, kind of a purplish color. Parakeet Party, a bright lime green. And Sweet Sorbet. I also bought just one package. You can buy the ink colors all in just like a sampler. So I bought one package it has 4 sheets of each color in there for now. And then when I decide which ones I really like, then I will go back and purchase like a bundle of them. I also purchased from the annual catalog this Elephant Parade, and as well as the dies that go with it. This is actually, I think, the only stamp set from the new annual catalog that I bought that's new. I had some of the other ones that were in there last year that carried over. I still have some of those, obviously. I struggle with like child or young ones, young cards. I also struggle with male cards, so I'm going to try to reach out of my comfort zone and work on that. Okay, so we have the 3 elephants, some grass, peanuts, the mouse, that's so cute. Not sure what that is. Oh, that's probably that flower. A little bow, 2 little bows actually. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, the peanuts, those are peanuts. So that's pretty cool. So I'm looking forward to playing with that one. As well, I decided to buy something from the new mini catalog, and that was this one here, the Santa's Delivery, as well as the dies for that. I thought that was just so cute with the train. I could just see lots of little different things that you could do with that. And I bought the dies with it as well. And this again is in the mini catalog. Like the holiday one that just came out. Or is just coming out. I don't have, well, I can't show you the catalog anyways, even if I did have it, but and the dies for that. So it's a die for the train and the car. The tree that can go on top of the car. Looks like the penguin. A bow. Oh, the North Pole signs. A wreath. That's pretty cool. Snowballs. Oh, the tracks. Train tracks. That's cool too. So I'm going to have a lot of fun, I think, playing with this one. I know it's only like, we're just coming up to the beginning of July now, but it's really, have to start early on Christmas, right? And I guess a lot of people do Christmas in July. Okay, next month also starts Sale-A-Bration, so there is actually a deal to join Sale-A-Bration as well. So you get, I think you get, I can't remember now, I have to look up what my notes say. But because I ordered enough, I ordered $180. I didn't pay $180 obviously because I have my discount on that. But I was able to get pre-earned 3 of the Sale-A-Bration items, which I'm going to show to you now. They're not available yet. They will be available in July. So I got the hippest hippo with 3 hippopotamuses and some sentiments, as well as the dies. So this I got with $60 free. This I got with my second $60, and then I also got some paper as well. So there's a boat So you can put your hippopotamus in a boat. This looks like a barrel of water, umbrella, the snorkel pieces, splashes, a hat for your hippopotamus. I'm not sure what that is. I think I'd have to cut that out to see what that is. Oh, and some waves. That can be really useful for a lot of different things. So again, looking forward to playing around with that. I also found, usually I only place a couple orders a year, but they're usually really, really big, because then I can capitalize on stamping rewards. Unfortunately, I also found, though, with my work being so unreliable right now, I didn't really want to spend a lot of money, but I also found that I wasn't using stuff as fast as I could buy it. This is the other item I got, the Sale-A-Bration item that I got. It's called Rings of Love. It's Designer Series paper. It does coordinate with some of the new colors, or well, one of the new colors. It coordinates with Crushed Curry, Evening Evergreen, Mint Macaron, Night of Navy, Parakeet Party, which is the new one. Sorry, there's a fruit fly flying around. Petal Pink, Poppy Parade, and Soft Suede. And these ones I already looked at, and they're really so sweet. This flowery one. This one here I just love. I love the colors, because I love fall colors, and this is really reminiscent of fall. This one's absolutely gorgeous with the birds on it. And the other side has a more watercolory look on it. This one is also cute. I think you could actually cut out these houses and use them separately. On the other side of this one, I don't know if you would call that a mandala, but it has just a generic picture on it. This one has the mushrooms on it. The other side has the wood circles. And this one has the wood grain on the one side, or the wood trees on the other side of the forest. But this looks like it's supposed to be poinsettias, so a very Christmassy feel to it, which is really nice. Okay, so that's everything I got today. I am going to be working on these new products and hopefully have a video or two up in the near future. Now, if you order in the month of July and you use my host code, hopefully you can see it, host code right there. If your order is over $60, I am going to send you an additional free gift as well. At $60, you'll be able to pick one of the Sale-A-Bration items as well. But you need to use that host code. Now, if your order is over $200, you don't want to use the host code, because you will earn stamping rewards yourself anyway. So getting my free gift means nothing to you. You're better off getting the stamping rewards at that point. This is what is going to be the free gift unless it's out of stock. I try to always pick something that is going to be there, so I don't always pick something that's new. So this is the basic pearls. They always have them. That's why I'm picking them for this month. So if your order is over $60, I will send you this myself. It won't come in your package from Stampin' Up. It will come from me separately. So it might take a little bit longer because it will just be in the mail. It won't be in like couriered or UPS, which is what Stampin' Up does, or how they ship it. Okay, so that's it. I will be back, I promise. I know I don't come on very often, but I will be back. And I'm hoping my work is stable and life settles down just a little bit, and I can get back to making, well, I shouldn't say back to making cards. I'm always creative. I always create something almost every single day. I just don't always film it. So I will catch you next time, and I hope I see you very, very soon. Please subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified each time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.